Che 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 Igbo Kwan. Hey. Che 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 Igbo Kwan. Hey. Igbo Kwan. Hey. Question. Oh yes, it don't happen. I told you, Nigeria government is going to cry blood this time around, but they will not escape the wrath of America. I told you. But before then, I don't know who is this woman. Who is this great woman that have come out boldly? Hey, if you see hear what come out for this woman, Matt, Biafrans, please start congratulating this woman. Wherever you see this woman, congratulate her for us. This woman have done a wonderful job. But before we continue, Donald Trump have finally come for the Nigerian government. Full stop. I don't want to talk too much. The spirit of Biafra have possessed the north, the west, the east. Everybody that hears the word Biafra, the spirit of Biafra will possess you. My people, gather your friends. Invite your loved ones. Let's gather here and see this message of redemption. Thank God it's a Sunday morning. Let's see that thing that the Nigerian media is hiding for all of you. Watch the video. Watch the video.
As you know, we recently struck Nigeria and largely ended the slaughter of great Christian populations. They have a great Christian population. They were being butchered. Thousands and thousands of people were being killed. Children, women, old people, just being slaughtered, hatched to death. They know that if they go further, the attack will be far greater, and that they don't want to really get involved anymore so much. You know, we hit them very hard. We knocked out their leader. We knocked out their second leader and their third leader. Sounds a little bit like Iran, actually. That's all about a different cause that we have to do, because we cannot let Iran have a nuclear weapon. Can't let it happen. So I'm saving Christians throughout the world, even though we are not in those various countries where you read about this. But they'd like to make our country just like those countries. That's where they started. They started right where we are right now. But I'm saving them by hitting these terrorists very violently and very hard. We're hitting them very hard by the greatest weapons on earth, taking them out. We know where they are. We hunt them down and we take them out. Think of it. They go into a village and they just kill everybody. It's like crazy. They will close your churches in this country. They go communist, and they're trying to. They will kill your people, and that's what they're about.
Nnamdi Kanu, release Nnamdi Kanu. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu did not do you people anything. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, release him and give Nnamdi Kanu their mandates. Release him, because all what Nnamdi Kanu said in Nigeria, that will happen from the west, the south, the north, the east, no one will not come to pass. You see this cap when I put for the center of my head. Release Nnamdi Kanu. When I release the man. Nnamdi Kanu is the prophet of our time that we have seen that said something and it come to pass. Nnamdi Kanu is the man that God has chosen for Nigeria to be free. Nnamdi Kanu is the man that the gods of the land and the God of our forefathers taken for freedom of Nigerian people. Release Nnamdi Kanu and free Nnamdi Kanu to go in peace with Nnamdi Kanu desire. Nnamdi Kanu, all what you said, it comes to pass. Nnamdi Kanu, I give you all my hand. Indeed, you are a man of justice, equity, and fairness. You never stand for the wrong. You always stand for the right thing. And because you are standing for the right thing, the gods of our forefather, the gods of the founding father of Nigeria, the gods of the founding father of Biafra, the God of the founding father all over the world, even the east, west, south, and north are with you. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Wala wo wa se mani ayo ma we ni rokpa. Ejo afi Ọlọ́run bá fi be àwọn government. E bá fi Nnamdi Kanu le kò sí kankan tí bobo yẹn ṣe. Ó sọ nǹkan, ó nítorí ó sọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. And gbogbo nǹkan tí Nnamdi Kanu sọ, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀, no one fall to the ground. All what Nnamdi Kanu said that will happen from Genesis to Revelation. It happens, no one fall to the ground. You people should free Nnamdi Kanu and let that man go. That man did not do anything to you people. You people are just tying him down for no reason. Carry and go forth. Carry and go forth. Look now, go for this one. Go and carry them. Go and carry them.
Put down la moto. At least walk what last. I need to take this photo now. I need to take this photo. Walk what Shoot! This soldier they breathe. This soldier see they breathe. This soldier they breathe. Yes, sir.
You as a Hausa person, I'm giving you assignment. Go back and watch. Just search some videos of this man called Nnamdi Kanu. Search his videos. You will understand what is him fighting for. Nnamdi Kanu have been fighting for the whole Nigerian people. He's not only fighting for the Igbo people. But when I was a little, they only tell us that Igbo people, Biafras and all this. I only believe that Biafras are terrorists. I want you as a Hausa person today. I'm not involved in Fulani man, because a Fulani man can never love Nnamdi Kanu because he know their agendas, he know their movement. So I will not invite a Fulani man in this my video. But any Fulani can never like him because I have watched a lot of video and he's saying the truth. We don't have to hide it. So my brother, as a Hausa person, this video is for you. Go, I gave you assignments. Go and watch the videos of Nnamdi Kanu. You will now understand that what we are fighting for now, we have been fighting for this for several years. Nnamdi Kanu have tell the people of Nigeria not to vote Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He have never panicked. He have tell how Fulani people that let them respect themselves, let them go back to their land. Let them rule by themselves, by their land. They should not come another person's land and to be claiming it is their land. And this is what is happening in Arewa today. I believe it is not happening in Anambra State. It's not happening in Imo State. It's not happening in Enugu State. All those Igbo State. It's not happening over there. But it's happening in Arewa today. A Fulani who also gave them a chance to live as a Muslim brothers. They now claim that they are owners of the land. The Hausa mistake they did in their lives to allow Fulani become their brother, and today it has become a big problem to whole Hausa people around the world. Especially in Arewa today, a Fulani man can claim that he is the owner of the land, and you have nothing to say. We are seeing the several Hausa states, and no any Hausa man is ruling there. All their emirs are Fulani. Hausa states are Fulani, rule them as emirs. My brothers and sisters, you have to know that this man is a high time for we Hausa people to come out and speak on behalf of him. This is an injustice. This is an injustice for this man to fight for all Nigerians, and they will now tell us, we the Arewa people, that he's a terrorist. This man, he have never been a terrorist in his life. The whole what keep disturbing me in my heart, this man have never in his life with AK-47 to shoot a person. He have never in his life, but they declare him as a terrorist and a life imprisonment. For you to know, as an Arewa person, I'm calling you for you to know. Go and study, go and watch the videos of Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, and come and follow me. Let's fight for this man. This man is not a terrorist. Nigeria is supposed to pay this man for declaring him as a terrorist, for spoiling his name, for teaching us that he's a terrorist. Nigeria is supposed to pay this man a dear. My brothers and sisters, Hausas, I'm calling you, and other languages who are ready to learn more and to build a future. This is a time for we to build a future. Do not believe on everything your forefathers are telling you. It's not everything will happen in 2040.
You see, I told you that this woman deserves an accolade. You have heard it loud and clear for how he come out boldly and speak what every Nigeria is afraid of, including this very guy that came out and narrate all the lies that they have been lying against the Biafrans. All thanks to God for what that is happening, because what is happening around you and what that is happening in Nigeria today is going to give a total edge for the total restoration of Biafra. No doubt, I'm telling you nothing but the three truths. Believe that. You see, you have heard it. For how Donald Trump have come out and said it boldly that is coming after the Nigerian politicians. And the thought is just ordinary. Our awareness is making a very heavy impact. All the patriotic men, the intellectuals men that have taken this fight upon themselves to make sure that Biafra is restored in our own time. But they have done a wonderful job for taking this fight to the Washington DC, and we are seeing the great impact of their advocacy. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is coming out very soon, including our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. They are coming out very soon to give Nigeria the Wotowoto promise at the final fights. Yes, Biafra is coming, no doubt. Believe this. Who am I? I'm only a messenger. If you love what we do here in this Global Love Channel TV, please don't hesitate to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And in doing that, you're encouraging us to do more, because togetherness we shall save life together. In Biafra, Africa, rise the more. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.